Hello guys, my name is Karan. Welcome to the Fun with Python tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can draw a pattern with the one Python library turtle and with a for and while loop. In this video, we will draw a pattern using a turtle library of Python. So first of all, install a turtle app by writing this command pip install turtle. If you are writing this, if you are coding this in a Jupyter notebook, then please write exclamation before pip. And if you are using in command prompt, so no need to write exclamation, just start pip install turtle. Right, press shift enter, and you find requirement already satisfied. Okay, so import turtle, shift enter. So basically this API is for to import turtle screen which shows the output. Okay, so write this command and run it. You get the output here. This is called turtle. This cursor is called turtle, and we play with that turtle in this video. Okay, so let's start it. So call this API is make this turtle movable. Okay, so just write this API and start run it. Okay, no need to change in here. If you found this code, right turtle 90 degree, move turtle right in the right side 90, forward 100, left 90 degree, and backward 100. So let's see how it works. Okay, so turtle is here, 90 degree, 90 degree. It's here now. So these are some basic code information of turtle, so that you can get the idea. By the way, the turtle is a graphical library of Python which enhance the graphical results of Python. Just write this API t, which means turtle.turtles go to 100, 100. It's move API with a 100 distance with a 45 degree. Okay, I hope you get the idea. So start with another API. Just open Jupyter, and now we make a circle of 100 radius. T dot circle, in a bracket you have to write radius, so write radius. I make 100. Let me set the screen so that you get the simultaneously, you can see the simultaneously output. Okay, I had to adjust so many things. If we can see the turtle, then you get the idea. Okay, now you can see. Shift enter, and here you go. We make a dot, t dot 20, and here you see the dot of 20 radius. Turtle has also facility to change the background color of a screen, so let that one also check. Turtle.bg color, in that bracket you have to write a color. I make it blue. Shift enter, and here you go. If you want the reset this turtle, then just simply write t dot reset and run it. You can get this clear screen. So after getting the all basic API, Now I want to show you something with a turtle with a while loop. Just set the variable like and we can draw the circle inside the circle. I hope you're getting the idea after the design which we patent. Okay, so make this first variable n is equal to 100 while. I hope you all the meaning of while. When n is less than or equal to 40, then make a circle of n radius and increment it by 10. Okay, so let's run the code. Okay, so probably we have a 4 circle, 1, 2, 3 and 4, because if I make this at a 5, then probably we get a 8. Okay, after getting this design, okay, so first of all reset the screen. I will show you some amazing design for using turtle, which is a very basic code, and you can find there's a code in every website of turtle tutorials. So just make the reset the screen and just write this code. Just we are using import turtle. If you don't if you already do practical on this code, so you don't need to write this in this line. Color red and yellow, just field is red and yellow. After this, forward 200, left 70, absent of position if the one is decreases by 1, break and field and done. Okay, so it is a very amazing design. Let's see how it's draw. You can adjust the speed of a turtle. It's basically just a circle design which we draw in our primary school session. That's it for the tutorial, guys. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please mention it on the comment section. Thank you.